Hi everyone, this is your Sifu here at Chi Nature and Tina Dragon Taoism channel. Today we're teaching you how to use this magic to purify your heart, which helps you to regain your focus, regroup yourself, and getting rid of all the leeches and vampire outside that is draining your energy away so that you cannot get things done. The symptom of when your heart is not focused, you can observe by your physical action, how you're doing things. Okay, whenever you're trying to do things, if you feel there's resistance of like, you should not do it, it's so hard, that kind of resistance, or you keep doing the wrong thing. You do something, drop a pen, drop a paper, kick your toes or something like that. Lots of bad happenings physically is going on. Or maybe it's like you just keep making mistakes. This is the time when you need this magic. To do this magic, you will need to be part of our lineage. So go to our website, teenyetdragon.com, and get initiated. It is free. Or you can get ordained, even better. But for the free initiation, you can still do this magic, okay? It is very important to do this before you actually start doing something important. So let's say you're a blogger and you need to write your blog post of the day. Before you write, do this first. Oh, maybe I'm going into a business meeting. Before you go into the meeting, do this first, okay? Now, here's a quick version. You hold this hand sign, okay? Hold this hand sign like this. Okay, when you look down, it looks like a heart inside. This is the hand sign for the main god, Sam Lo Joshi. Okay, so you go like that, and you do, close your eyes, and you think of the heart spell, 0, and you stomp the left foot, shake. And then you will recite the heart purifying spell. Okay. Ten di hu gi bai hu kim gi sam jia shi fa huan xuan jia ho sim si wei ya kim da kiu da sa wei wei gon jia bai gong mi sim xin qiu jiu gip gip yo do ri. After you're done, stomp the right foot 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then snap. Left hand is outside, facing yourself. Stomp the right foot. Ha! And out. Ha! Okay? That is the quick version. Okay? Do this 1 time before you start doing something, or when you get home from work, something like that. You do this 1 time to clean up the heart and cut off all the external draining sources that keep pulling your energy everywhere. This helps you focus. Now, when you are back home from work, or if you have more time, this is the long version. You sit down in a position, you can sit on a chair, you can cross leg, okay? Now, do the same hand sign, close your eyes, heart spell 0. Now, because you're sitting, maybe you cannot really stomp the foot. If you're cross leg, just think of your leg and kind of bounce it 1 time, okay? Like that. Okay, now, leg, and then shake this hand sign, right? Like that. Okay, so heart spell 0, shake. Say the same spell, and then right foot 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And what you're going to do now is, first, you're going to go like this, and then like this, and like this. Okay, now we're working on the heart here. Okay, and now you will put the hand sign here, and you're going to keep doing your breathings. 5, 1, 5. Breathe in 5 seconds, 1 second in the heart, and then 5 seconds down the belly. Okay, now come back like this. Okay, now when you're like this doing the breathings, the main focus is just to get yourself focused in and aligned in the center. Then you come back here. Here comes the longer version. here, okay, you hold the hand sign, and now you're going to sit and keep doing the breathing. While you're doing the breathings, you can kind of let go of the counting. And then you will see weird thoughts come in. Something will pull you forward or backward in time. For example, it leads you to think of what you have to do later, or lead you to think about something that happened, or it leads you to weird thoughts and visuals and image. Anything you see and anything you sense, those are called distractions, and you can label them as evil crap. So what you do is every one of them you spot, then you shake the hand sign. While you shake, it's kind of like, imagine you're ringing a bell. Ta-dang, ta-dang, okay? Every time you shake, that thing combusts. Like it turns into dust. Bang, okay? Every time you see something, you have a idea that draws your attention, okay? Use this to shake and then vibrate and combust it, okay? Now, after all that, for a while, you will be like onto like this phase where you feel there's nothing. It's very peaceful now, right? Good. Now, time to conclude. Come down, up, open your eyes, breathe in, close your eyes, breathe out. There we go. Now you've concluded. Okay? So this method, you can get rid of all the sources out there or all the connection from the heart that is draining your power so that you can focus again. This is the heart purifying method. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.